Hello, in this video we are going to solve some second year English questions from AP and Telangana. The question is match the following words. In Telangana, this is question number 11. They will be asking you 6 words. You have to answer any 4 of it. Each word carries 1 mark. Totally you are going to get 4 marks in it. So next we will be seeing AP questions and later we will be seeing again Telangana questions. So the first you have to select, for Telangana you have a choice, so you can select the easiest words. So first word I am going to select is garage. Garage, we know it's a place where you keep the cars. So a place for keeping cars. This is the answer A. Then the easy word is feast. Feast means what? A large meal which is prepared during celebrations. So a large meal on a day of celebration. So this is E, much easier. Then we are going to see the easiest word, anonymous. Anonymous is what? Antonym of famous. What is famous? Famous is a person or a name which is known to many people becomes famous. Anonymous is just an opposite of that antonym. What does it do? Anonymous person is a person whose name is not known to anybody or a group of people. A person not identified by name or unknown name is called anonymous. So the answer for anonymous is D. Then easier one is calligraphy. Calligraphy is what? Beautiful handwriting. The art of beautiful handwriting is calligraphy. So here it is. This is F. Then you come to teetotaler. Who is a teetotaler? Teetotaler is a person who never takes alcoholic drinks. How to remember this word? Teetotaler. So the shortcut for this I can say is you break it into TEAT, total, totaler. So the person who drinks totally tea as alternative drink, he doesn't touch alcohol. You can remember this. This doesn't mean a person who only drinks tea. I'm just giving you a shortcut to remember it. So now for teetotaler, the answer is C. Now only one word is left, which is herbarium, and that is option B. But how to remember this? Arium. I am breaking this into two parts. One is arium and herb. What is arium? Arium means a place. A place. What is herb? Herbs we know they are like what do you call in Hindi? Jadi booty. Telugu you call it mulikalu. So herb is like that. What is jadi booty or mulikalu? They are small plants which are dried and used in medicinal purpose. So herbarium is a collection of dried plants. Now going to AP questions. AP people have a bit difficult in this because they have given 6 questions and 8 choices, and you have to answer all the 6 questions. Each question carries only half mark, whereas Telangana it was carrying 1 mark each. It is half mark, and totally you are going to get only 3 marks. So this is question number 16 in AP question paper. Earlier we have seen it as question number 11 for Telangana. So let us solve one by one question. Adventure, we know something doing something unusual, exciting or dangerous activity is called adventure. So the answer is C. A foot. Foot, what do you do by foot? You walk, you run, or chalta hai. Something like that in Hindi. If I say chalta hai, nadustundi in Telugu. So something happening, like you see, chalta hai, chal raha hai, ya nadustu undi, jarutu undi. So that you can get from a foot, and that similarly it has meaning of being planned. So for a foot, the option is A. What is cynic? Cynic is a person who doesn't trust anybody. He thinks everybody is dishonest. A person who believes that people are not honest. So this is D. Smash. What is smash? Breaking things. You know it is called smash. To break something into small pieces is smash. This is B. Then comes penury. What is penury? It is the state of being very poor. is called penury. This is G. And innovation. Innovation is what? Finding a new product or a new idea, or finding something new, a method to do something or anything. Finding new is called innovation. Here, a new method, idea, or product. So this is answer E. Now you are left out with two words. Let us solve those also. A dead body. What do you call that? It's called corpse. So next, a violent windy storm like cyclone and hurricane. And another one, if word I have to see is, I can say tornado. So any word can be given for this, a violent windy storm. These questions were asked in AP in 2021 paper. Now going to Telangana paper. This is Telangana's paper asked in 2022, that is last year. Let us solve one by one. First is museum. What is museum? A building which has, old items or historical items. You can call the building as a museum. Here it is a building where objects of historical, artistic, or cultural interest are kept. So for museum, the option is C. Then comes frank. What is frank? A person who talks what is in his heart or mind. He doesn't, try to. He is a person who tries to speak always honestly, giving his honest opinion. So here it is truthful and honest in expressing one's opinion. So answer is E here. Who are audience? Audience is a group of people watching an activity or a program, like group of students listening to a lecture can be called an audience. Group of people watching a movie can be called an audience. Group of people watching a match like football FIFA match or a cricket match can be called an audience. Here the answer is a number of people listening to a lecture or a concert is audience. This is A. What is industrious? Industrious mean hard working, which is B. Now we are left with two words. One has psychology and the other one is ornithology. If you observe, both have one suffix, that is ology. What is ology? Ology means study of or gaining knowledge. Gaining knowledge of. We know some common words like zoology, biology, and pathology, dermatology. These all are studies of gaining study of those things: zoology, biology, pathology, uh, dermatology, and other things. But if you observe, the two left out options both have study of and this study of. Which one to be selected? Psych means human mind. Psychic, communicating by mind. Psycho, whose mind is disturbed. A person with a disturbed mind or a bad mind is called psycho. So for psychology, you can see the study of human mind and behavior. So this answer becomes F for psychology. The only one left is the scientific study of birds, and this was derived from ornith. Ornith is a Greek word which means birds. Greek word which means birds. If you see here, the scientific study of birds is called ornithology, which is option D. We have solved all the papers for today. In next video, we will meet again. Until then, bye bye.